Hello guys. So the smart questions of maximum minima. Right now in first question we are taking a open box which is made by a cardboard of given area. This is the given area. It's a surface area of this entire sheet, that is C square, and we will form this box with a squared base. So we have the dimensions of squared base is x. So these are x and the height of the box is y. So show that the maximum volume. So we will use second derivative test on volume expression. Given is the surface area of card sheet, or you can say box, and we want to show this. The volume, maximum volume should be c cube over 6 root 3. So according to this, the total surface area of the box is c square, and according to these dimensions, let us consider let the side of square base of the box is x and the height of box is y. So the total surface area of the open box, remember this box is open, so no roof. So the total surface area of open box, it is given as c square. So according to this, base area is x square and the one wall is xy, and these are the four walls, so 4xy equals to c square. So this expression is in terms of two variables. We will collect the value of y in terms of x. So it is c square minus x square over 4x. So this is the value of y. Means you can say height of box is y. Right now we will go for maximum volume. So maximum we will show this. So initially we will take volume, and volume of cuboid will be L into B into H. So the volume of box V equals to L into B into H. So it is base x and height is y. So it is x square y. Means x square into, we will place this value in this expression. So it is c square minus x square over 4x. So cancel out this. We get x into c square minus x square by 4. 1 over 4 c square x minus x cube. So we will use secondary test on this expression to show the maximum volume. Now the volume expression is V equals to 1 over 4 c square x minus x cube. Now apply second derivative test. First we get dv over dx, and on differentiation with respect to x we get c square minus 3x square, and when we put dv over dx equals to 0, so we get 1 over 4 c square minus 3x square equals to 0. So 3x square equals to c square. So x equals to c over root 3. So it is positive negative, but we will consider only positive. Now the second derivative, d2v over dx square. So differentiate this expression again. So we have 1 over 4, differentiation of c square is 0, and there is 6x. So it is minus 3 by 2x. So d2v over dx square at x equals to c by root 3. So when we put this, so it is minus 3 by 2 and c over root 3. So we get the negative value root 3 c by 2, and it is negative. If d2v over dx square is negative, it indicates the volume of box is maximum. Now we want to show the volume of box. So volume of box is V is this. So when we place V equals to 1 by 4 c square x minus x cube. So we put this value because x is c by root 3. So we put this value. Volume of box is 1 by 4 c square into c by root 3 minus c over root 3 cube. So it is c cube over root 3 minus c cube over 3 root 3. So on taking LCM, 3 root 3, we get 3c cube minus c cube. So it is 1 over 4 2c cube over 3 root 3. So cancel out this, we get 2. So it is c cube over 6 root 3. So this is our required result. V equals to c cube over 6 root 3. This is the answer. Next question. Which fraction exceeds its pth power by the greatest number possible? So first we will consider a number. So let number, required number, be x. So we want the difference of a number with its pth power. So let us consider the subtraction, or you can say excess. So it is x minus x to the power p. So this is the required expression which we want to show it is greatest. So we use second derivative test. So first derivative will be ds over dx. So when you differentiate this, we get 1 minus p x to the power p minus 1. When you put this differentiation, first derivative equals to 0, so it will be p x to the power p minus 1 equals to 0. So x to the power p minus 1 is 1 over p, or you can say x equals to, it is this. So this is the value of x. The expression was x minus x to the power p, and the first derivative is 1 minus p x to the power p minus 1, and the second derivative d2s over dx square. So the differentiation of 1 is 0, and differentiation of this part is p into p minus 1 x to the power p minus 2. So it is the second derivative, but we want to show this it is negative at x equals to 1 over p to the power p minus 1. So when we put this value, and this is a positive value, so p into p minus 1, and when you put this value, so you get 1 over p minus 2 over p minus 1. So this is negative result due to this negative sign. So if the second derivative is negative, that shows maximum. So the difference is maximum. So S will be maximum. So next question is a rectangle inscribed in a semicircle. So this is the ABCD is a rectangle, and this is a semicircle. So PTQ is semicircle and ABCD is semicircle, rectangle. ABCD is rectangle, and the radius of circle is small r or capital R, when whatever you want. And the one side of this rectangle lie on the diameter of semicircle. It is the construction of this question. Now find the dimensions of rectangle, means AB and BC, of the rectangle, so that the area is maximum. So our focus is on area. So main proving condition is area. Right now given is radius. So the radius of semicircle, that is a small r or capital R. So it is R, and we want the area of rectangle. So we want the length AB or BC. For this we will consider the triangle OBC, and we will take cos theta. So cos theta will be base OB over hypotenuse is OC. So that is OB over R. It means the value of OB is R cos theta, but we want AB. So OB equals to OA. It means side AB equals to OA plus OB, or you can say twice of OB, or you can say 2R cos theta. So we have right now one side of the rectangle AB, or you can say length of rectangle, that is 2R cos theta. Now we want the other side BC. So in triangle OBC again we will take sine theta. So sine theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. So it is BC over OC. BC over R. So we get BC equals to R sine theta. So other side of this rectangle is BC, that is R sine theta. Now we have the length of rectangle and the width of rectangle, so we can collect the area of rectangle easily. So the area of rectangle that is A, and it is AB into BC. So AB is, right now we have 2r cos theta, and BC is r sin theta. On simplification, this is r square and it is 2 sin theta cos theta, and this is the trigonometrical formula of sin 2 theta. Means we have r square sin 2 theta. So this is the area expression, and now requirement is this to show it is maximum. For this we will use second derivative test. Right now we will collect first derivative of area with respect to theta, and that is 2 cos 2 theta, and on putting it 0 we get 2r square cos 2 theta equals to 0, and r can't be 0, means cos 2 theta is 0, so it is cos pi by 2. So 2 theta is pi by 2, means theta is pi by 4. So this is the value of theta. So right now we will collect the second derivative, d2a over d theta square. So we will differentiate again. It is 2r square cos theta, differentiation is minus 2 sin 2 theta. So it will be minus 4 r square sin 2 theta, and the value of second derivative at theta equals to pi by 4, that will be minus 4 r square sin twice of pi by 4. So cancel out this and we get sin pi by 2, that is 1. So it is 4r square. So d2a over d theta square, it is negative. So the second derivative is negative. It shows the area of rectangle is maximum. And the value of area, so A is r square sin 2 theta. So at theta equals to pi by 4, so it will be r square sin twice of pi by 4. So cancel out this, sin pi by 2, it is 1. so it will be r square. So area of rectangle is r square. So this is the answer.